Welcome back. So for today's video, I wanted to show you what springtime in Hong Kong is like. The weather has been absolutely gorgeous lately, so I figured it would be a good time to show you around. First up is Repulse Bay. This is a really popular place, at least with foreigners in Hong Kong. There's a beautiful temple, obviously, that you can see, but also a really nice beach and boardwalk with just lots of restaurants and like trendy, cool places. Mr. Olivia and I came here for lunch one day, and it was absolutely beautiful just to sit outside, enjoy the views, social distancing, obviously, but it was really nice. One thing I really enjoy about living in Hong Kong is the just huge variety of food. There's so many different things that you can try here, you know, whether it's Japanese, Vietnamese, Chinese, Cantonese, like there's so many different types of food to try here. So I've had a really good time this spring just trying a bunch of new restaurants. Pho, this place is absolutely amazing. I've been ordering here a lot lately. So good. This is the tram, the famous tram in Hong Kong. If you ever get to come, it's a really fun, just really affordable way to get around the city. I think they're so cute. Whenever I have time, I really try to take the tram. So while things are slowly getting back to normal in Hong Kong, you definitely still have to wear a mask whenever you go out, and every single restaurant is still practicing social distancing. So, you know, people don't sit as close together. There's not as many big crowds, but things are definitely slowly getting better in Hong Kong. Okay, so I know in the US that Korean barbecue is actually really popular, but yo, guys, in Hong Kong, Japanese barbecue is like where it's at. It is so good. I took myself here for lunch one day. In Japan, they have so many different types of beef. Kobe beef, there's another type of beef that they have. Like there's just such a variety of beefs. So if you ever have a chance to do Japanese barbecue, highly recommend. One of my favorite things to do in Hong Kong is to come and sit in this park. The climate in Southeast Asia is like tropical, warm, humid, sunny. So they have all these exotic plants. They have palm trees. You know, the birds are chirping. Like it's a vibe. I belong in a garden. You know, like this is just such a really like relaxing place to come and just sit, even just to walk around and like clear your head. So that's been one of my favorite things to do this spring, is to just come and chill out in this like park. So yeah, this is literally like what I do like most weeks. So one thing I really love about Hong Kong is just how into nature it is. So even though we live in the city, you know, downtown, you can go on like a 5 or 10 minute walk and be in the mountains, in the hills, on a beautiful trail, just surrounded by nature and trees. It's just so peaceful, and it's just really nice to have that, you know, it's really nice to have those two sides. You know, you don't ever feel like stuck, because you can always get out into nature and see something else, see a different landscape. So here, me and Mr. Olivia are about to run a 5K. We've been like on our fitness stuff, just like doing CrossFit and running a lot lately. We're using the Nike Running Club app. Highly recommend if you're just like new to running or just starting out. This is after I finished my run, so I was like on my cool down, just trying to get some footage for you guys. this is what it's like sometimes in Hong Kong during the spring. It's very wet and like rainy and humid, so you can kind of see that in the views. But this is really one of my favorite spots in the city because you can just come and run and you really feel like you're in a different world. So that's a little bit about what my spring has been like here in Hong Kong. I know the situation has been so hectic all over the world. I'm praying for all of you that everyone is just healthy and safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.